Okay, so good afternoon everyone. In this project, I created a simple notepad application using Java Swing. The purpose of the program is to allow users to write, edit, open, and save text file in a graphical user interfaces. I used the JFrame class to create the main window of the application and implemented the action listener. As you can see it in the public class, Notepad implements listener. And I created a no. The program can respond to user actions such as clicking buttons and menu items. In the main method, I created an object of the Notepad class here, which automatically runs the constructor and initialize the whole interface of the program. So inside the constructor, I called the several methods to organize the program properly. The create window here. The create window method creates the main application window, sets its size, sets its title, and add applies a border layout to arrange the components. Then in the create text area where the user can type and edit text, I also place the text area inside a J scroll pane so the user can scroll through long documents easily. Here. To make the application more user friendly, I added a search bar. I added a search bar at the top of the window using the create search bar method. I use a JPanel to hold the label and add a text field and J button to search inside the text area and highlights if it is found. I also created a menu bar using the create menu bar method. The menu bar contains three menu: file, edit, and format. In the file menu, I added option for creating a new documents, opening a file, saving a file, and exiting the application. In the edit menu, I included cut, copy, paste, and find text functions. In the format menu, I added different font styles, font sizes, and especially in the dark mode feature. To avoid repeating code, I created a custom add method that adds menu items to a menu and automatically register them with the action listener. Okay, so the action performed. Where's the action performed? Okay, so for the action perform method, handles all user interactions in the program. It checks which menu item or button was clicked and performs the corresponding actions. For example, when the user clicks new, the text area is cleared when opened. When open is clicked, the open file methods will run, and it will allow the user to choose a file using a JFile chooser. Okay, so let me here a demo. When the user clicks new, like that, the text area is cleared. When open is clicked, the open file method runs and allow the user to choose a file using JFile chooser. The selected file is then read using buffer reader and display in the text area similarly. The save file methods buffered writer to save the contents of the text area into a file chosen by the user. For example, here, and I'm going to save it. File name this CJ. And when you click new, it will automatically disappear from the screen. And when you click open, it will search the file CJ. And you click CJ and open, you can see the text that you write earlier. The text editing, I use built-in methods from JText area such as cut, copy, and paste. I also added formatting options that allow the user to change the font style to Arial, Times New Roman, or Courier New, and adjust the font size to small, medium, or large. You can see here in the notepad. Alright, the notepad. This. So this is what I talk about. The Arial, the Times New Roman, Korean New, small font, medium font, large font, the dark mode, and yeah. Okay, so Another feature I added is dark mode, right? So let's go back to the code. Here is the dark mode. S I added is in the toggle dark mode method, I use a boolean variable. Here, like yeah, boolean variable. To switch between light mode and dark mode, when dark mode is enabled, the text area background becomes black, and the text color becomes white. This, the text area becomes white. Becomes white. Okay, okay. So if the what do you call this? If the dark mode is enabled, the colors return to the default white background and black text. Overall, this project helped practice important Java concepts such as a GUI design, event handling, file handling, layout management, and object-oriented program. The application works as a functional notepad program with features like file management, text searching, formatting, and dark mode, making it a useful and interactive Java Swing. So, okay, so that's it for the Java notepad, and thank you guys for listening.